दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज के इस मास्टर क्लास में हम इंडियन पॉलिटी का सबसे क्रूशियल और हाई वेटेज टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, सेलिएंट फीचर्स एंड प्रियम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो चलिए अपनी नोटबुक और पेन तैयार रखिए और आइए इस कंप्लीट लेक्चर को शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले दो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स का कंफ्यूजन ड्रॉ करते हैं। डेट ऑफ एडॉप्शन नवंबर 26, 1949, जिस दिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनकर रेडी हुआ और अडॉप्ट किया गया। डेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट जनवरी 26, 1950, जिस दिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पूरे देश में इफेक्ट में आया, इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ। सेक्शन आई, सेलिएंट फीचर्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1, लॉन्गेस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ग्लोबल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, ओल्डेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, यूएसए, जिसमें सिर्फ 7 आर्टिकल्स हैं। लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, इंडिया, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट। क्लासिफिकेशन, रिटन वीएस अनरिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस, इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दुनिया का सबसे डिटेल्ड रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है। Size, original vs current, original constitution, 1949, 395 articles, 22 parts, and 8 schedules. Current status, 448 जोड़ articles, 25 parts, and 12 schedules. Elephantine size note, इसे elephantine size constitution भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि हमने 60 अलग अलग देश के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस को स्टडी करके उनके सबसे बेस्ट फीचर्स को इंक्लूड किया। 2. Borrowed features, terminology, इसे अक्सर कलेक्शन ऑफ बोरोइंग्स भी कहा जाता है। डिफेंस ऑफ बोरोइंग, डॉक्टर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में इसे डिफेंड करते हुए कहा था कि दूसरे देशों के अच्छे फीचर्स लेने में कोई बुराई नहीं है। मेजर एग्जाम्पल्स, डायरेक्ट एसएससी क्वेश्चंस, यूएसए, फंडामेंटल राइट्स यूके, पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम आयरलैंड, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, डीपीएसपी, इंटीग्रेटर नोट, आयरलैंड ने डीपीएसपी का कॉन्सेप्ट स्पेन से बोरो किया था। 3. ब्लेंड ऑफ रिजिडिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट, हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना तो पूरी तरह रिजिड है यूएसए की तरह और ना ही पूरी तरह फ्लेक्सिबल यूके की तरह। 3. अमेंडमेंट प्रोसीजर्स, सिंपल मेजॉरिटी, 50% जोड़ वन ऑफ दोज प्रेजेंट एंड वोटिंग, यूज्ड फॉर चेंजिंग स्टेट बाउंड्रीज और नेम्स अंडर आर्टिकल्स 2 and 3. स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी, 2/3 RD majority required for sensitive parts like fundamental rights, FR. Special majority जोड़ state consent for federal changes, e.g., president's election. 2/3 majority in parliament plus the consent of at least half of the state legislatures. Insight, examiner trap, massive majority वाली सरकार, e.g., 400 जोड़ सीट्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के किसी भी पार्ट को बदल सकती है, इसीलिए इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्टेबिलिटी के लिए बहुत क्रिटिकल होते हैं। 4. पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम मॉडल बेस्ड ऑन द ब्रिटिश यूके मॉडल। स्ट्रक्चर लेड बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर PM and the council of ministers. Responsibility, executive, government, is responsible to the legislature, parliament, Lok Sabha. Historical context और power shifts, इंदिरा गांधी एरा 1975-77 में PM पोस्ट बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल हो गई थी। 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, 1978, reduced PM's unilateral power. Now, PM must consult the cabinet before declaring emergency. Tagline, a constitution for the people, by the people, of the people. 5. Federal system with unitary bias definitions, federalism, power is shared between the central government and state governments. Unitary, power is concentrated in the central government. India's model, described as quasi-federal, by K.C. Ware. The bias, India एक union of states है, लेकिन emergency या special circumstances में center सबसे powerful हो जाता है। Warning sign caution note, emergency के दौरान हमारा federal structure unitary structure में flip हो जाता है। 6. Federation with strong center, 3-tier government, 3 levels of governance, union, central government, state governments, local bodies, panchayats and municipalities, amendment insights for local bodies, village panchayats, added via 73rd AA 1992. Municipalities, added via 74th AA 1992. Context, original constitution में local bodies नहीं थे, PV नरसिम्हा राव गवर्नमेंट के टाइम ऐड किए गए। Source, Canada. Federal vs unitary features, federal features, unitary features, scroll written constitution, clearly defined powers, open book single constitution, one document for both center or states, supremacy of constitution, highest law of the land, passport control, single citizenship, no separate state citizenship, unlike USA. Lock rigidity, some amendments are difficult, e.g., basic structure, integrated judiciary, hierarchy from district court to Supreme Court, independent judiciary, resolves center-state disputes, Police Adhikari All India Services, IAS, IPS, recruited by Center, serve in states. Bicameralism, 2 houses, Lok Sabha जोड़ Rajya Sabha, revolving light emergency provisions, Center becomes all-powerful. Dual government, center and state governments exist. Governor appointment, state governors appointed by center. Critical scholar perspectives Casey Ware, quasi-federal, Ivor Jennings, federalism with a centralizing tendency. Granville Austin, cooperative federalism, center and states work together for the people, best seen when the same party rules both. Morris Jones, bargaining federalism, center and states negotiate. Combative federalism, जब सेंटर और स्टेट में अलग अलग पार्टीज हो और वो एक दूसरे के काम में रुकावट डालें, e.g. वेस्ट बंगाल नॉट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम, लीडिंग टू पब्लिक लॉस. Section 3, Fundamental Rights or Directive Principles 1. Fundamental Rights, FR, Location, Part 3, Articles 12 to 35. Quantity, 6 Fundamental Rights currently. Nature, Justiciable. अगम rights violate होते हैं तो Direct Supreme Court, Art 32, या High Court, Art 226, जा सकते हैं. Status, Article 32 is called the heart and soul of the Constitution, by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Memo note. Criminal cases, murder, में court hierarchy, district, right arrow high, right arrow supreme, follow करनी होती है, लेकिन FR violation में direct supreme court जा सकते हैं. 2. Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP, Location, Partive. Purpose, guide the government in policy making. Aim, to achieve social and economic justice. Bullies eye trap, DPSP promotes social and economic justice. Fundamental rights promote political justice. 3. Secular state, definition, no official religion, all religions get equal respect and protection. Amendment, added via 42nd AA 1976. Status, declared as part of the basic structure, in the Kesavananda Bharti case, 1973. Bulb and sight, इंडिया को religious state बनाने के लिए, secular, वर्ड को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, जो कि इम्पॉसिबल है क्योंकि ये बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्रिन से प्रोटेक्टेड है. 4. इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी, टॉप कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, SC. रोल, प्रोटेक्ट्स द लॉ एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आर्टिकल 13 अलाउज SC टू डिक्लेयर लॉज null and void if unconstitutional. Title, SC is the guardian of the Constitution. 5. Universal adult franchise, rule, every citizen above 18 years can vote regardless of caste, religion, or gender. Equality and sight, I. Economic equality, बिलियनियर अंबानी और एक पुअर सिटीजन दोनों के पास 1 वोट है. E. Social equality, विलेज हेड और लेबरर दोनों के पास 1 वोट है. E. Political equality, PM और ऑर्डिनरी सिटीजन दोनों के पास 1 वोट है. Constitutional goal, Dr. Ambedkar noted that while political equality came with the vote, social and economic equality would take more time. Sources of the Constitution. A. The Foundation, Government of India Act, 1935, the Structural Blueprint of the Indian Constitution. Federal Scheme Office of Governor Judiciary Public Service Commissions, UPSC, SPSC, Emergency Provisions Administrative Details. B. British Influence, the Political Framework, Parliamentary Government Rule of Law, credited to A. V. Dicey, Single Citizenship Cabinet System Prerogative Writs, Parmadesh Writ Art 32226. Bicameralism. C. American, Us, Influence, Fundamental Rights. Independence of Judiciary or Judicial Review. Impeachment of the President. Removal of SCHC Judges post of Vice President. D. Irish Influence, DPSP, Directive Principles, Nomination of Members to Rajya Sabha. Method of election of the President. E. Canadian Influence, Federation with a strong centre. Vesting of residuary powers in the centre. Appointment of state governors by the centre. Advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Art 143. F. Australian Influence, Concurrent List, e.g., Education, Freedom of Trade and Commerce, Art 301. Joint sitting of the two Houses of Parliament, Art 108, Bullis eye trap. Joint sittings are summoned by the President but headed by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Other global ideals or guardrails, French Constitution, Republican ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity in the preamble. USSR, Soviet Union, Fundamental Duties, Art 51A, and ideals of justice, social, economic, political, in the preamble. South African Constitution, Procedure for Amendment, Art 368, and election of Rajya Sabha members. Weimar, Germany, suspension of fundamental rights during emergency. Japanese Constitution, procedure established by law, related to Art 21 Right to Life. Section V, Preamble 1. Definition and significance. It is the preface, essence, soul, summary of the Constitution. Embodies the basic philosophy and fundamental values of the makers. Historical base, based on the Objectives Resolution, drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru in December 1946. 2. 4 pillars of the preamble. Source of authority. We, the people of India, authority derived from people, not parliament. Nature of Indian state, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Objectives of the state, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Date of adoption, November 26, 1949. 3. Detailed key terms. Sovereign. India is an independent state, free in internal and external affairs. No dominion of another nation. Socialist, specifically democratic socialism, mixed economy where public and private sectors coexist. Blend of Marxism and Gandhism. Democratic, indirect democracy, representative parliamentary democracy. Republic, head of state, president, is elected, not hereditary like a monarchy. Justice, taken from Russian Revolution. 3 forms, social, economic, political. Liberty, not absolute, but qualified with limitations mentioned in the Constitution. Equality, 3 dimensions, civic, Art 14 to 18, political, Art 325 to 326, and economic, Art 39 DPSP. Fraternity, sense of brotherhood. Promotes unity and integrity. The preamble is not a part of the Constitution, but it is the key to open the minds of the framers. B.R. Ambedkar 4. Legal status or amendability of preamble. Berubari Union Case, 1960. SC said preamble is not a part of the Constitution. Crossmark Kesavananda Bharti Case, 1973. SC said preamble is a part of the Constitution. LIC of India Case, 1995. SC said it is an integral part. Nature, non-justiciable, provisions not enforceable in court. Amendability, can be amended under Article 368, provided basic features aren't touched. Amendment history, amended only once so far by the 42nd AA 1976. Words added, socialist, secular, and integrity. Practice questions or PYQSQ1. SSC STENO, the 8th of August 2025. The Indian Constitution is often described as quasi-federal or federal in form, unitary in spirit, primarily due to which characteristic? Answer: strong centralizing tendencies and powers of the Union government. Reasoning: while federal features exist, the bias or spirit towards the center defines it as quasi-federal. Q. Do. SSC STENO, the 7th of August 2025. Match constitutional features with democratic values. A. Fundamental duties, right arrow. E. Recognition of citizens' responsibilities. B. Equal voting rights, right arrow. If. Principle of universal adult franchise. C. Local self-government, right arrow. I. Grassroots democracy. D. Religious freedom, right arrow. E. Respect for individual conscience. Answer: C. Q. Theme: SSC STENO, the 6th of August 2025, which is not a feature of Indian federalism. Answer: A. Dual citizenship. Reasoning: India has single citizenship. Q. Char. SSC CGLTIERI, the 15th of September 2025. Consider: Indian federalism is biased towards center. The Constitution uses the word federal explicitly. Answer: A. Only one. Warning sign trap. The word federal is nowhere used in the Constitution. Q. 5. SSC CHSLTIERI, the 10th of July 2024. Sequence of words in preamble. Answer: sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Q. Chair. Reasoning strategy. Assertion: A. The preamble is non-justiciable. Reason: R. Its provisions are not enforceable in courts of law. Answer: A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Q. Sat. Reasoning strategy. Assertion: A. India is described as a republic in the preamble. Reason: R. The head of the state in India is elected, not hereditary. Answer: both are true. A republic is defined by having an elected head. तो दोस्तों, ये था हमारा सेलिएंट फीचर्स एंड प्रियम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का कंप्लीट मास्टर क्लास। हमने बोर्ड 1 से बोर्ड 6 तक एक टॉपिक, डिटेल, फीचर, कॉट केस, सोर्स और PYQ को बिना कुछ भी स्किप किए कवर किया है। इस प्योर क्लास के हैंडरिटन PDF नोट्स आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिल जाएंगे। अगर आपको ये मास्टर क्लास हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें। मिलती हूँ अगले लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग और कीप ग्रोइंग।